Imagine making hundreds or even thousands of dollars just by reading words. Now, what if I told you this opportunity is coming from a real trustworthy website that has previously worked with the likes of Hulu and Discovery Channel? If you're interested in making some extra cash like this, just keep watching to figure out how to get started, how you'll be making money, and some extra tips and tricks to help you out. Your bank balance is about to look a lot better. The best part is that you don't need any skills or professional equipment to get started. You're making money just by reading words out loud, nothing more. You don't need to be living in any specific country because you can opt for this method wherever you are in the world. It's completely free, functional, and easy to set up. And if by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you'll need to get started with making some money. In fact, you can make anywhere between $200 and $1,000 without spending a lot of time or effort. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of how to make money just by reading words. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial on how absolutely anyone can earn around $500 or even more. Getting started is super easy, but before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. So the website we'll be using today that offers you this amazing opportunity is Voices.com. You can go ahead and pull this up right now to see for yourself. This is a well-reputed website, and there are some big brands that have used their services in the past, from Shopify to Microsoft. Voices.com markets itself as the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover, which essentially means that it gets companies looking for voiceovers in touch with talented voice actors who can get the job done. To get started, all you need to do is a few simple steps. You can start by heading over to the website and clicking the Sign Up button. Then select Find Work as an Actor and fill in your details. Once that's done and you're logged in, you'll see 13 different categories that are available for you to work in, which includes movie trailers, video games, and educational media. Once you click the category you're interested in, the website will show you a wide range of voice actors looking to make money just like you. You can browse through their ratings and see how some of them have been doing this for months or even years and making some serious cash just by reading words. Now that you're on the website, you can easily find suitable opportunities for yourself by visiting the jobs page. This will bring up a ton of voiceover jobs that are currently open, and there are always new ones being added to the list. Each job usually gets a few responses, so the employer can pick the voice actor they consider the most suitable. In addition, you're also given some details about the script that you'll be reading out. This includes the word count, the length of the complete audio file in minutes or hours, and some tags. Tags like spokesperson or conversational can help you find the perfect job for your vocal abilities. You can apply for any job you're interested in, and if you're selected, the employer will send over the script you have to read so you can get to work. Then, once you're done, the money will start flowing in. It's really that simple. But if you want to know how much money you can make from this website, let me give you a quick breakdown. With Voices.com, you can make up to $1,000 just by working for 40 to 60 minutes as a rough estimate. This comes down to about $16 per minute, which is an amazing amount. The rates and pricing section on the website gives you more information on how much you can make in each category. Recording a full audiobook can earn you up to $1,500. And if you land a serious gig in an animation short, you can even make a whopping $10,000. There's some serious money to be made in this way, and you'll only get better the more you work. You can start with as little as 10 to 15 minutes a day, and you'll soon start climbing up the ladder. From a few $100s, you can work your way up to thousands. If you're still uncertain about this, just keep on watching and all your doubts will soon be cleared. First, you don't need anything to make money this way except your voice and your phone. That's right, like I said before, there's no technical equipment required for this job, not even a proper microphone. You can get started with a simple recorder app and maybe some headphones. In addition, since it's just an audio recording that they'll be using in something like an audiobook or a video game, your voice is all they need. You don't need to show your face, write anything, or even go anywhere. You can get started from the comfort of your own home. Then let's say you don't have a lot of time to spare each day for this job, and you don't have hours to spend recording a lengthy script. Even that doesn't matter because you can still go for this. The jobs listed on the page you just saw can also be filtered based on the word count or finish time. So whether you have 10 minutes or 2 hours, there's an opportunity out there for you no matter what to help you make some money. Lastly, if you still think you don't have what it takes to make money just through your voice, then you have nothing to worry about. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see something called The Beginner's Guide to Voice Acting in 2021. This is a complete manual split into 13 sections to help you with each and every aspect of the voiceover journey. So whether you need a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial or just feel the need to brush up on a few aspects, this guide is going to help you maximize your potential and make hundreds of dollars worth of cash in just a short time. But that's not all. There are a few more tips you should know to really earn money fast, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Like you saw earlier, there are lots of different categories that you can find jobs in. But did you know some categories pay a lot more than others? Your best bet is looking for jobs in these 3 categories: audiobooks, internet videos, and video games. These offer the most opportunities and the highest payout, which makes sense because these industries are booming with work. After all, there are loads of ebooks, videos, and games out there, and there are always new ones being made, and they all need voice actors to read out the material. Other categories, like voice assistant, aren't just that popular, or they require a lot more effort and focus on professional voice actors, such as the movie trailers category. So the categories you should be focusing on are only audiobooks, internet videos, and video games. Stick to these if you want to make the maximum amount of money you can with minimal effort. Moreover, there's also a certain time duration you should be aiming for that's not too long or too short. The sweet spot is somewhere around 60 minutes, so make sure to filter your search results with that in mind to get the best job listings. Apart from the tags given with each opportunity that tell you what kind of voice they're looking for, Voices.com offers another really cool feature called Voice Match. So with every job, you can see how suitable your voice is. Obviously, you're going to have a better shot with a 90% voice match instead of one that's only 30%. So this is another amazing feature that makes it extremely easy to apply to the best jobs that'll earn you money for sure. Voices.com also has apps available on both the App Store and on Google Play, so you can download the app for free and get started right this minute. And that's all for a tutorial on how to make money just by reading words. Out of all the categories listed on the website, which category do you really want to find jobs in? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for similar content. See you in the next one. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to receive more engaging business content like today's video. Hey, if you enjoyed our video, you just have to watch this one.